The left side of the above picture is the height of lifting knife. The appropriate height of lifting knife is prerequisite for the normal operation of the module. The right side of the above picture is the lifting knife. The upper surface of the lifting knife that has been surface treated has hardness requirements. The body of the lifting knife has rigidity requirements. The deformation of the lifting knife is divided into irreversible static deformation and recoverable dynamic deformation. The vector sum of the two in the vertical direction constitutes the instantaneous height of lifting knife. The instantaneous height of lifting knife should be controlled within an appropriate range. Too large will cause hook errors. Too small may cause mechanical shock. Long-term mechanical shock will shorten the service life of the electronic jacquard machine. The recoverable dynamic deformation is more complicated and can be indirectly reflected by the mechanical transmission fluctuations in the real-time online detection data. For details, please contact me directly. The irreversible static deformation can be statically measured with a distance meter when stops working. The body of the lifting knife is detected by the BasicWave basic distance meter for electronic jacquard machines. The enhancement with enhanced distance meter for electronic jacquard machines is used to comprehensively detect the body and upper surface of the lifting knife. For the upper surface of the lifting knife, can also check with the naked eye whether there are pits. It is just more complicated and the workload is large. Or indirectly analyze whether the hook error is caused by the pits on the upper surface of the lifting knife. However, the body of the lifting knife needs to be detected by the BasicWave basic distance meter for electronic jacquard machines. The measurement accuracy of the BasicWave basic distance meter for electronic jacquard machines should not exceed 0.1 mm, equivalent to the measurement accuracy of a vernier caliper. Please note that once the lifting knife is found to have irreversible static deformation, it means that the life of the lifting knife has expired, and all the lifting knives of this electronic jacquard machine need to be replaced. Usually, the distance meter is used together with the free tool software, mainly for a. Get the preset value knife of the lifting knife height of this electronic jacquard machine. The predetermined value of the height of lifting knife is the height of lifting knife that the distance meter for electronic jacquard machines will detect and adjust. The predetermined value of the height of lifting knife is mainly determined according to the working environment and working conditions of this electronic jacquard machine. The working environment includes working temperature, working humidity, etc. Working conditions include working speed, fabric, woven design file, etc. Different working environments and working conditions require the predetermined value of the height of lifting knife. This is the main reason why the measuring accuracy of the distance meter for electronic jacquard machines should be no more than 0.1 millimeter. B. Get the working temperature of this electronic jacquard machine. The modules are quite sensitive to the working temperature, and the working temperature has a greater impact on the height of lifting knife. It is usually necessary to detect and adjust the height of lifting knife at a specific working temperature. That is, it is necessary to make the electronic jacquard machine reach a specific temperature, and then use the distance meter for electronic jacquard machines to detect and adjust the height of lifting knife. C. Upgrade the software of distance meter for electronic jacquard machines, etc. With the advancement of science and technology, the software version of the distance meter for electronic jacquard machines also needs to be upgraded. Please, let us know if you have any doubts. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.